Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, you know what month it is. It is Crocktober, and we're going to be rocking out with the Crocs out, and I'm going to start it all off with making Yankee Pot Roast. So, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Ooh, do you see such goodness here? Well, that is what I am going to sit there and show you how to make. So, let's get cooking. Good looking. Alright, good looking. Let's get cooking. What you're going to be needing is at least 2.5 pounds of a lean chuck roast. Now we're going to sit there, trim the fat, and we're going to cut it all into individual serving size pieces. Here I have my roast all cut up. Alright, I just like to put a light drizzle of olive oil on the bottom of my crock pot, and then go ahead, dump all your meat in and season with some, I like to season mine with kosher salt. Now let's go ahead and add some crushed black pepper. Then I like to sit there and add some dried minced garlic and give, a few cloves worth. The dried minced onion. And then I would give about a tablespoon's worth. Half a teaspoon or so of the celery seed. We're going to want some onion powder. And I would say about a teaspoon. Garlic powder. Okay, let's give it everything a good toss. Now, I usually will start out with like 4 of my red potatoes that are the palm size of my palm, and I'll just quarter them up. Just as such. You're gonna want 3 medium carrots and cut them into about 3/4 inch slices. Now to that, we're gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 bay leaves, and then I like to add a coffee cupful of a good beef broth. So let's go ahead and add all that at top. Place that on, and now I'm going to go ahead and place mine on low and cook this anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. Or you could cook it on high for about 4 hours. Okay, we're in the 5th hour here. Now I'm just going to sit here and check my Yankee Pot Roast. Oh, does that smell good. Now I'm going to remove the bay leaves. They've done their job. And now I'm just going to sit there and give this all a good stir again. I am going to sit there. I have a half a cup of water, and I mixed about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now I made a cornstarch slurry. I'm just gonna go ahead, pour that all in to my Yankee Pot Roast. We're gonna give this again another good stir, and then we're gonna put the cover on and we're gonna let it continue to cook out. Well, an hour went by. Ooh, yeah. Now, if you want it a little bit thicker, go ahead and just let it cook a little bit longer. For a close-up view, look at all that goodness. Okay, I have myself a ladle and I have myself a little serving dish. Now, I'm gonna go in and dish me up just a little bit so I can sit there and show you some of this goodness. Oh my goodness. Where do you start? Oh, look at that. And there you go. That is Yankee Pot Roast. I mean, the potatoes aren't mushy as what some of yous would think. I mean, you just saw me slice it up with the spoon here. The potatoes are done perfectly. And the carrots, you see, not even this little small one, as you just heard me slicing through it, they're not mushy at all. Do the meat. Now, as you see, now most people, they would sit there and cook their poor meat until it's shredded to death in there, or they overstir the heck out of it. I mean, look, I still have whole hunks. Now, that's how easy it is to sit there and make Yankee Pot Roast. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put on a new video. And most of all, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?